Billing in Workamajig has a few different variables. One thing that we found consistent is a need to review a project prior to billing. And we have an electronic way of doing that in Workamajig called Billing Worksheets. It's in the billing section under the Today's page, where anyone who's in the billing department can easily generate billing worksheets. When they go to generate billing worksheets, they're going to be able to put in date ranges and a variety of other filters to generate those worksheets, which will automatically then be submitted to any of the different folks who are reviewing those projects and indeed show up in their little bell icon so that they know that they have billing worksheets pending their review. What does a billing worksheet look like? I'm going to open up a billing worksheet right here. Every billing worksheet that we receive will let us know what type of billing method is intended for that project, obviously who is this project for, and which project is this worksheet about. When we go into the details of any of these worksheets, we're going to see a variety of fields. So we'll have a selection called Invoice Comment. If you want to leave a comment that will ultimately appear on that client's invoice, you'd put it here. There's a worksheet comment, so if you need to leave comments about the review of this worksheet, put them here. And approval comments. Over to the right, because this is a fixed fee project, I can see that there was a budget and there have been no prior invoices. So if I go into the budget, I can also see and choose how do I intend to bill. So we might be billing by task. We may be billing by service. So there's different ways that we can review that information. So once you've reviewed the budget, you can also let the system know, what do we intend to bill? So you can tell Workamajig that I intend to bill by task, all tasks, or I can intend to bill by service and choose which services. Having a billing worksheet will give us the opportunity to not only review the project, but review it digitally, have an audit trail that it actually did happen, any notes that we left, but then approving of that worksheet is going to pass that back to the billing people to simply be able to generate those invoices from our approved billing worksheets. Now, if you need more checks and balances along the way, that's okay. We can generate those invoices not yet approved so that we can have another level of review before the invoice ultimately gets to your client.